Hi and welcome to this channel. In this video I am going to show you how I'm going to illustrate a vehicle in Photoshop and how you can apply the same method for creation of new designs for your Shopify or other online stores. Let's start. For this example I prepared already a sketch. The car that we are going to illustrate is a Porsche from 1977 and the model called 935. Creating additional darker layer will help you to work faster and more precise with your path tool. At the beginning I start with the outline of the sketch and further work more into the details. Especially at this example I changed the livery for not getting in any trouble with the sponsors. I follow every sketched line to make the illustration as precise as possible. Now, when the outline of the sketch and the car body is finished, I start with the front lamp and the other details, like livery, wheels and body panels. After every line of our sketch we traced with the path tool, we can start with the fun part and colorize our illustration. In this example, the livery is playing a major role for recognizing the car from the others. If you enjoy seeing the creation process and want to see the final result, please stay till the end of this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. It helps me a lot. Thank you! Please comment in the section below. What do you think about the result? Thank you very much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.